Make sure you do not do this inside, or else you end up sleeping in a doghouse like that. Oh yeah, I bought a canoe. All right, we're gonna be curing some salmon eggs. I don't know how many I got in here, but they still actually smell pretty good. They're quite small, some of them. These are silver eggs from last year. They look pretty damn good. Smell like the woods of Alaska. Still got some blood in them, but that's not a big deal. We're gonna be curing these for bait. Some shitty parts in there, but that's fine. Shit, I thought I was gonna have to be able to do one skein per thing, but hell no, I'm gonna be doing a hell of a lot more than that. Now, if you're wondering what this shit is, I'm gonna be doing a little experiment. At the same time, I'm doing something brand new. Fuck it, I'll leave that there. I am gonna be trying 2 commercial grade curing solutions, one wet, one dry. I'm gonna be doing one home one. Ooh, kind of smells like moose. That's funny. I'm going to be doing one home one that was told to me by a friend of mine that I work with, and it's quite interesting. I was quite surprised by it. Then I'm going to be doing one other one that's going to be improvised. Let's start off with the wet one. Now, some of you might have seen this before. Fire brine. I've genuinely never used, I've never done this before. Like, this is my first time ever doing this. I haven't even counted this shit yet, so you can see how unprepared I am. But this is gonna be the first one. We'll see how this goes. I'm not gonna follow directions exactly. I've already read them, but I'm not gonna be super, precise with this, because this is not exact science. 1, 2, 11, 12. Good, I can do 3 per thing. Now for the liquid, I'll use ones that are a little less intact. Just see what happens. Okay, drop these back into my container. Now the directions say shake well, half bottle of tray. Well, about half bottle per, half bottle per pound. Herring, anchovies, whatever. I don't really know what the fuck I'm doing here. I'm just fucking around with this. I just want to see what happens. I gotta use these eggs. I'm not gonna eat them, so I might as well just mess around with them. Oh god, that looks fucking diabolical. Yeah, this should be good. In no way is this an instructional video. This is simply a white guy fucking around on his day off when it's 46 degrees outside in Anchorage. All right, that's one. Now for the dry brine. Apparently this is the very first commercially available dry brine you can buy. I really don't know for sure. I don't really care about all that. I just want to see what happens. The color on this is quite interesting. It looks toxic as hell, but we'll see. Kind of want to taste it, but at the same time I don't. Okay, for this one, I want to use the ones that are a bit more intact. Let's go with these 3, because this one I'm sure is going to work. I am going to split the skeins open a little bit. I should have done it with that one, but I'm not really too worried about it. The knife's quite dull, but that's not a big deal. Okay, that's good enough. All right, unlock this. Oh man, this shit's gonna die the fuck out of this. Okay, sprinkle this on here. Wow, this is not want to come out as easily as I thought it would. Want some purple salt? Looks cool. I think the directions only say to do one side, but I kind of just want to do both. Okay, let that sit on there for a few hours. And now that this towel is completely ruined, let's do something different. They don't smell too bad. Kind of smells like moose. I'm getting a little bit better at that now, so that's cool. It's a little frozen, but it's not a big deal. First, gonna put on there some honey. Rub that in. This is the one I heard from a buddy of mine at work. Garlic salt. I'm sure he said quite a bit of it, if I'm not mistaken. And the craziest ingredient that I thought would ever be on here would be Kool-Aid pack. And the other side. I'm not worried about the exact presentation of these, like, individual eggs and all that shit. And I just want to see what happens. Looks cool. There's a small dog running around. Oreo's fine. She's not going to tip the table over. Hi, Oreo. This is the experimental one that I want to try. So I just want to do garlic salt and some red 40. Good old red 40. It's only legal in America. I'm literally just going to drop a shit ton of this on here. Oh, those things are red as fuck now. Let they cure for quite a while, and we'll come back to it. A little bit, but I haven't looked at them since yesterday, so we'll see what they look like. Okay. The dry brine, it looks a lot brighter than I thought it would. Like, those things are real bright, and it's dark outside too. I mean, it's only like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but still. This is the Kool-Aid and honey. They're pretty dark, but I wonder what the color is gonna look like in the water. This is the red 40 and garlic salt. These look pretty dark too, but I bet these are gonna put off a lot of red. Well, those look not too bad, but they're not the texture I want. Let's take a look at the wet ones. Oh, wow, those things are real red. Holy shit. It's not bright outside, but those things are, I don't even know how, it just looks cherry red. Don't smell great, but that's fine. All right, well, I did not follow the directions for any of this shit, and I probably won't in the future. So let's fish with this shit in 6 months and see how it works. Subscribe for more.